Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to delete a Facebook page on Facebook business page on Facebook, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is go to your Facebook account here. Like I'm going to the Facebook here. So when you are on Facebook, you can find this profile like in the top right corner. From here you can find see all profile, where you can choose your business profile or business page, which one actually you want to delete or you want to disable. So first thing you have to do is go to this page here, like this page here. Now you have to do is simply click on this drop down button at the top right corner, your profile icon. Now go to the settings and privacy. Now you can find the settings option here. Go to the settings. Now at the left side you can find all the options in settings that are available right now. So you can scroll down and you can find your information section, where you can find access and control. So you can click on access and control, where you can find three options like deactivate page, unpublished page or delete page. So deactivate page will temporarily deactivate your page, business page, for a certain time, and also whenever you want you can activate it. An unpublished page will help you to make it all for private, for only you can access it or see it, or otherwise no public on this Facebook want to be able to interact or see your page here. And if you want to delete it for permanently, so you can find this delete page from here. So you have to select this delete page and simply click on continue. Then you can download your information for future uses, or then you can simply click on continue. Then you have to enter your password for confirmation. Then it will add pop up a confirmation section also. Again, delete if you want to if you are sure that you want to delete this business page, then you can simply click on this delete button to confirm that you want to delete it. Then it will delete your Facebook business page permanently. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.